Good day, everyone. This is Siki from MVAVA. This is my assistant today, Eric. We are manufacturer for switch and sockets, and we have more than 20 years experience in this field. Now we focus on smart switch and socket because smart home makes our life much easier and more comfortable. Firstly, I will show you a short video about our factory, MVAVA, to let you know our better. Welcome back. From this video, we can learn from that MVAVA is a manufacturer for both mechanical switch and smart switches and sockets, and we attend the exhibitions over the world to present the products from MVAVA. And today, we will show you the smart home products as Wi-Fi sockets and Wi-Fi switches. On the screen, you can see on the right top is my name card, and you can contact me by the email or WhatsApp or mobile. And there is a skin code on the left side button. It is a skin code for our e-catalog. You can download the e-catalog to have a detailed review about our products. And we welcome your message in the online studios. We will reply you as soon as possible. Okay. So let me start the first product from us. It is Wi-Fi socket, and we have 4 types. This is Wi-Fi UK socket, and this is Wi-Fi Germany socket, and this is Wi-Fi French socket, and Wi-Fi Universal socket. This is 4 sockets from us, and I introduce one by one now. You can see on the function parts, there is a button, this and the indicator light. This is for on and off, and this socket is divided into 2 parts. It's with function parts and the panels, like this. 2 parts of sockets, and all the glasses is tempered glass, and the thickness is 4 mm. Next, let me show you pictures about the specifications of the Wi-Fi socket from MVAVA. The working voltage is from 90 to 240 volts, and the RF frequency is 433.92, and the lifetime is 100,000 times, and the Wi-Fi standard is 2.4 G, and the max current for Germany and the French socket is 16 amps. The max current for UK and the universal socket is 30 amps. From the picture, we can see our product is divided into several parts, from front panels, function parts, the back cover, and the mantle brackets. Okay, we come back to the studio. Each panels, we use a mantle frame. It looks the product very elegant and more qualified, like this. And all the products from us has got the certification CE and ROSE. This is the certifications we get. And the most important thing is we have got the certifications from TUV. As we know, TUV is one of the most authoritative organizations for certification. So this is a big guarantee for our product's quality. And if you need any certification from us, welcome. We will provide all the documents and reports you need. And as we know, the sockets, we have 3 colors. It is white, gold, and black. 3 colors for the function parts. Also for the panels, we have 3 colors. White panel, gold panel, and the black panel. And one of the biggest advantage is also products from MVAVA, you can combine different colors according to your needs. For example, you can combine the black panel with the gold function parts. And some customers may like gold, then they can combine the gold panel with the gold function parts. It is a normal looking, and you can also combine the gold panels with black function parts. It will be look like this. Then it will be very easy for the end users to match the different colors of the function parts and panels to fit their home decorations. Meanwhile, we also have another materials for the frame. It is aluminum frame. We can see we also have gold, silver, and black. Aluminum frame will have a different feelings from the glasses. If some customers they want more functions in one switch, what can we do? We have another type of the panels, big panels. We combine the touch switch and the socket together in one panel. Then you can use it both for switch and sockets. Also, if you want only for two sockets together, we have two frame panels. This also have the aluminum frame material and the tempered glass. You can combine two sockets here. And we also have 4 frame and 3 frame. The size is 228 and this size is 299. This is a very good example for the 3 frame. We can see we combine the touch switch, the Wi-Fi socket, and the mechanic button switch here. And you can also change to what you need, like USB sockets, 1-gun, 2-gun, 3-gun mechanic switch, and the panels. You can change it with different Wi-Fi functions, like Wi-Fi dimmer switch from MVAVA, Wi-Fi curtain switch, and 1-gun, 2-gun, 3-gun for your options. And you can see all the designs from MVAVA is very simple. And all the painting colors is inside, then covers the glasses, so the colors will not easy to be filled. Okay, next let me introduce the functions of the sockets, Wi-Fi socket from us. The first function is Wi-Fi control function. It means you can connect an app with your phone, and your phone can control the socket automatically. And we use Tuya or Smart Life app to control the Wi-Fi socket. As we know, Tuya now is growing very fast and widely known in the global home solution market. So if we use Tuya applications, you can work together with different kinds of products at your home. It will be very easy for you to use it. And the second function is remote control functions. All the sockets from us can be remote control, and we have 2 remote controllers. This one is smaller one, and the size is very small and easy to carry. It has 4 buttons on it. The control distance is 13 meters, and it can control max 3 groups of the switch and socket. And this one is bigger one. This is more elegant and look expensive. It has 16 buttons. It can control max 9 groups of the switch and sockets. This is 2 options for you. Then when you are at home, you can control the sockets by these controllers. And if some customers still want both two functions, because Wi-Fi control, when you are at home and very long distance, you can control it normally working. And the remote controller, it will be easy for short distance when you're at home. So do you have a function combine them together? Yes, we consider about these solutions. So we make one socket, combine two functions together. We combine Wi-Fi control and the remote control together. Then you can control both by the remote controller and the phone app of Smart Life. Next, let me show you a video how our Wi-Fi sockets work with Wi-Fi control.
Control your appliances via your smartphone wherever you are. How to connect your phone with Smart Life app. Step 1. Add your devices into Smart Life. Step 2. Long press the on-off button until the blue indicator lights flash. Step 3. Connecting. Step 4. Rename your device. Now you can control your device with your phone. How to use voice control with your appliances. Let's open the page of Amazon Echo. Searching Smart Life in Skills. Enable it with your Smart Life account number and password. Let's discover the devices now. OK, done. Let's try to command Alexa now.
Alexa, turn on the lamp.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the lamp.
Okay.
Our Wi-Fi sockets are perfectly integrated with Alexa to safely and intelligently control appliances. Technology makes life simpler and better. For more details of operating.
Okay, after this video, you must know how our Wi-Fi sockets, it works very easily, and it can be both Wi-Fi control and voice control. For voice control, we use Amazon Alexa and Google Home to control it. And from this video, you can see our Wi-Fi sockets not only have this size, also have this size. This is 86 multi 86 EU and UK standard size. And this size is 117 multiply 82. This is US standard size. As we know, safety is very important for the electronic home applications. So what do we do to protect our end users? First, our product material tempered glass, the PC shell, also material is waterproof and fireproof, and it has protections against electric shock. And from the Tuya app, we also have functions to protect the user's safety. It is memory functions. What is memory function? Let me show you a picture. When you use Smart Life to control our sockets, you can open the setting and there is a relay status. There are three choices for the users: off, on, and remember last status. That means when the power is suddenly off and on again, the Wi-Fi socket will keep status of off or on, or remember last status as your setting. It will be very easy for the end users and safe for them. Next, let me show you how to use our Wi-Fi socket by my hand. From this wall behind, you can see there are different switches sockets on the wall. They are Wi-Fi touch switch, Wi-Fi sockets, and Wi-Fi remote switch and curtain switch. Let me show you how to control our Wi-Fi sockets. Okay, first you need to download an app, Smart Life or Tuya. You can download it in Apple Store. And when you open it, you add the equipment as your home sockets have. And from this panel, and this is an example of our products. We combine the touch switch and the socket together. And now the socket is connected to a bulb for the testing. There is a button and an indicator light. Let me turn on the button. Now the bulb is working and it's lighting. And when I press again, then it is off. This is the basic function. Next, let me control from my phone. Okay. Now we come to the socket page. We can see it shows power off, and when we press it, the bulb is on. And I press it again, then it's off. The reaction speed is very faster. It's very sensitive. You can see no delay, very quickly. And from this app page, we can see there is a setting. As I just introduced to you, there is a setting of the relay status, 3 options to protect the user's safety. Okay, let me try again the sockets. So when you are even at home, you just find you forget to turn off the socket. No problem. You can use your phone to turn off any sockets at your home. Okay. After my introduction, you may be very interested in our products. What will you receive when you get the goods from us? Firstly, you will get a box of the complete set. This is our design without logo. This is neutral design. And the design is very simple. When you open the box, you will see there is a menu inside. This is a very detailed menu, and it guides the users to install and use our switches step by step. It combines the wiring install and the Wi-Fi control functions. And inside the box, there is a bag protecting the sockets. And each socket, there will be a plastic film cover the glasses to protect the glasses. And inside, it will be 1 screws for each product. Then the users receive the goods. It will be very complete. They can go ahead with install and using very easily. Okay. And some customers, they may want to have more choice for both the sellers and the end users. They don't want to order the complete set. Do we support the parts separately? Yes, of course, we support this service. You can order different colors panel. And we will have a panel separate box. And you can order different colors of the function parts with different functions. You can order the sockets or the switches, and it will have an individual box like this. Next, let me show you a reference price about our products. And let me remind you again, there is a skin code on the right button of our screen. You can download our e-catalog to have a review of our products. It's very detailed. And on the left top, it is my name card. You can contact me easily by email, WhatsApp, or mobile. Okay, next let me show you the price list from us for the switches, for the sockets. And the socket is separated into two kinds. It's EU and UK standard with 86 mm size and 118 US standard size. And it's divided into three functions: remote control function socket, Wi-Fi control socket, Wi-Fi plus remote control socket. The price will be from lowest of the remote control, this is the cheapest. Then it's the Wi-Fi socket. The next is combine two functions. And the price is from 100 pieces to 500 pieces, and from 500 pieces to 1,000 pieces, and about 1,000 pieces. Okay, we can look into the price range again. You can write down the information you need and send us the inquiries. Then we will give you the best offer with your requirements of our Wi-Fi sockets. Okay, thanks very much for your watching of the Wi-Fi socket. And the next, I will move to the Wi-Fi switches from us. Our Wi-Fi switches are with same size with the Wi-Fi socket. It is 86 multiply 86, but the thickness will be thinner. The size is 25 mm, while the socket is 35 mm. You can see the difference, the thickness. And we have two types of the Wi-Fi sockets. The screen is tempered glass. It has sensitive touch. The touch is very sensitive. We use touch. And we have two kinds of them. You can see their back cover is different. One is round and one is square. What is the difference? Firstly, let me show you the specifications of the Wi-Fi switches. The Wi-Fi switches working with 90 volt to 240 volt, and the RF frequency is 433.92, and the lifetime is 100,000 times. And the max load is 1,000 watts per gun. And we use Wi-Fi standard of 2.4G. And from another picture, you can see our devices are divided into several pieces from front panel frame and the indicator lights, and the function and PCB parts, and the back cover, and the metal frame. Okay, next let me show you a diagram of the Wi-Fi switches. As I show you, the Wi-Fi switches have two types with different back cover shape. And what's the difference? The round one is Wi-Fi switches, which need both live line and neutral line support. As we know, most buildings are without the base of neutral line, so the users cannot use most Wi-Fi switches in the market. What do? We develop another type of the Wi-Fi single line switch. It means you don't need the base of neutral line in your home, and instead we use a capacitor installed with L1 line. Then the users, there is no limited for the buildings without neutral line. And another advantage is if your home has neutral line in the future, and you can just connect the neutral line with your line and remove the capacitor, then it can be work same as neutral line switch. So this one can only use for the buildings who has a neutral line base, and this one you can use both for the buildings without or with the neutral line. This is the biggest difference of them. Next, let me introduce you the functions of the Wi-Fi switch. Actually, it has same functions with a series of Wi-Fi sockets. They can all be Wi-Fi controlled, and we use Tuya or Smart Life app to control it. As we know, Tuya is doing very excellent work and widely known in the global intelligent flame market. Our Wi-Fi chip is keep updating and more functions generation by generation. And from the sockets, we can see it has 3 choices. We have the switches from 1 GHz, 2 GHz, and max 3 GHz. And we have 3 colors of the panels usually. They are white, gold, and black. One panel can be max 3 GHz of the switches. And also, if some customers they want different colors, we support the customized service. There is an example. This is a gray glasses. This is a customized glass. We also support you put your logos, your brand logos here like this by laser or silver plating. And we have 2 different options of the buttons for your choice. This is simple one, only round shape, and this one is have some design. We also support the customized button shape. And as we know, we have another material of the aluminum frame, but this is not panels, which only fits the socket. Can we also use it to match our switches? Yes, we do. We have small glasses, and it can be combined with the frame of aluminum or frame with the glasses. This is an example, combine the small glasses with the aluminum frame. We have more colors of the small glasses as gold, and white, and black. For example, the glass frame also can be fit with the small glasses. It will have a different feelings and more flexible. Because some customers, they maybe buy the frame, but they want to be all with the switches. They don't need to change the frame. They just need to put one small glass here. Then 2 different combinations of the switches is coming. After my introduction, you may be curious, is our Wi-Fi switches easy to be installed or not? So let me show you a video of how to install our Wi-Fi switches. from this video, you can see it is very easy to install our Wi-Fi switches. And if you are not don't like the colors of the frame anymore, it is easy to replace the switches with different colors. For example, before you are white color, then you can just remove the white color frame by screen, and then you cover it with another color like gray. I will show you how to use our Wi-Fi switches with our mobile phone. This is a Wi-Fi switch installed in the wall. And this now you can see there is a very light blue, dark blue light, and it will be very easy for the users find the switches in the dark. And when I turn on it, the touch is very sensitive, and it's connected one bound. It will be very easy to your viewing. Okay, now this is the normal basic functions. I press it, and it's very sensitive on and off. And after I connected the Wi-Fi switch with my phone with Smart Life, then you can see there is one gun switch here, and before I connected more devices as smart Wi-Fi sockets, Wi-Fi curtain switch, Wi-Fi dimmer switch, and so on. You can add as much as you want. And now I turn on the switches. It's off. I just press it. Then it's be on. The reaction speed is very fast. And even when you are at home, you can control your light on and off. There is also timer functions, and we will add more functions in the future. It makes our life much easier with these smart home devices. Some customers may be curious. Our normal switches, they can be two-way controlled. Can our Wi-Fi touch switches also be two-way controlled? The answer is definitely yes. I will show you a video how our Wi-Fi switch works as two ways. From this video, you can see our Wi-Fi switches can be two-way, three-way use, and you just need to add the device with 2YF and change the different wording of the switches. Also, you can share the devices to your families. Then you can control the switch and sockets together with your families. And we know the Wi-Fi switch is already not the new product in the market. There are many Wi-Fi switches already with different prices, and some prices is really low. Why there is a big difference? First, our product, each the switch will be a relay inside. When you press the button, you will get a sound of click. That means there is a relay inside. Some switches, without the relay, the price will go down very easily. And another point, also the materials we use the best temp glass, and the bracket is metal. And inside the switches, our powers is made in USA, and some accessories imported from Japan. Also makes our products qualified. And also products from us will have 2 years warranty, and we get CE, those certifications already. And the most important thing is our CE is from TUV. As we know, TUV is one of the most authoritative organizations for the certification. So this is a big guarantee for our qualities of the products. Okay, after my introduction, you may be quite curious about our price. How is the price of our Wi-Fi switch? Let me show you. The price of the Wi-Fi switches are also divided into two parts. One is EU and UK standard with 86 mm and from 1 gun, 2 guns to 3 gun. And we can see from the picture, the neutral line switch is a little cheaper with a single leaf line switch. That is because the single line Wi-Fi switch include one capacitor and it can be two-way used. It can work with the base of neutral line or without the neutral line, so the price is a little higher. And the price range we make it from 100 piece to 500 piece, and 500 piece to 1,000 piece, and about 1,000 pieces. Of course, more quantities will get more discounts. If you have any interest with our products, you can make a trial order and just send me the list with the requirements and the quantities of our products. Then I will give you the best offer in the first time. And this is an example of the Wi-Fi switches from us. This is US standard, and this is UK standard. Let me show you again the products I present today. Today I show you the Wi-Fi sockets, Wi-Fi Germany sockets, Wi-Fi UK sockets, Wi-Fi French sockets, Wi-Fi UK sockets. And another product is Wi-Fi switches, Wi-Fi neutral line switch with round base, Wi-Fi single leaf line switch with square base, and this one can be two-way used. All the switches sockets can be both Wi-Fi control and remote control, and you can combine two functions together. And we have different size of the frame. We have 2 frame, 3 frame, and max 4 frame. You can combine the touch switch with any sockets, any switches or mechanic ones, according to your needs. Okay, if you are interested with us, you can contact me by the name tag. My contact information is as below. My name is Siki, and my WeChat and WhatsApp number is below. And you can write me the inquiry to my email. And we also have official website, MVAVA. You can visit MVAVA website to get more information of MVAVA. Next, I will show you the catalog from us. Of course, you can download the catalog by yourself. There is a scan code on the right button. And now I show you the catalog, and we can read it fast page by page. This is the looking of our factory and the workshop. This is the EU standard 86 switches. They have 2 gun, 3 gun, 1 gun, and the curtain switch, Wi-Fi dimmer switch. And this is the switches panel with different color. This is Wi-Fi sockets, 1 frame, 2 frame. This page we combine more functions together with touch switch and Wi-Fi socket. This page there is 3 frames and you can combine different switch or sockets or without Wi-Fi or with Wi-Fi together. From this page you can see there is a different combination of our products and they are mechanical ones. All the products from us are with different separate panels and function parts. You can have very different match according to your needs. And we have made 3 main colors, white, gold, and black. This is US standard switches, 1 gang, 2 gang, 3 gang, Wi-Fi dimmer, curtain switch, doorbell. And this is also US standard size. This is aluminum frame from us with small glasses. This is aluminum frame, different color with different small glasses. This is combined aluminum frame with sockets. We have 1 frame, 2 frame, and max 4 frames of the aluminum material. There are different combinations. They are also the new product from us. They are wireless switch, wireless receiver, and Wi-Fi model switch. If you have interest with those products, we welcome you contact us. Okay, thanks for your watching today, and I have finished the presentations of the Wi-Fi sockets and the Wi-Fi switch. And our next show will be in the evening, 6:30 p.m. We welcome your visit again. In the next show, we will show you the mechanical switches and the Wi-Fi curtain switch, Wi-Fi dimmer switch, or MVAVA. We welcome your visit and we are waiting for you. Bye-bye.